Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 211,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.